Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you step by step on how you can import Alibaba products to your Shopify store for free and you don't have to pay for anything. Okay, now the first thing you want to do guys, you want to open your Shopify store, and after that you want to click on settings at the very bottom left. Now next thing you want to do guys, you want to click on apps and sales channels, as you can see on the left. Next thing you want to do guys, you want to click on Shopify App Store in the top right. And then in the top in the search bar you want to search for Alibaba dropshipping. Okay, this is very easy and quick, so it's not something that is complicated or anything like that. Now you want to download this app. It's called Dropshipping Alibaba Official. Okay, and then you want to click on add app. In the next page guys, you want to click on install app in the top right, and it will take you guys directly to your Alibaba. Okay, you want to log into your Alibaba just you do normally. After you click on login, it will take you to this page. Okay, now what you want to do guys, now you want to close everything. Now just close everything. Okay, and go to your Shopify. Now just open your Shopify store. I'm going to do that right now. I'm going to log into my store. Now what you want to do guys, next you want to click on settings at the very bottom left, and then you want to click on apps and sales channels, and then here you can find here Dropshipping Alibaba Official, the app that we have downloaded a few seconds ago. Now this is very easy, just click on that app, and then you want to click on open app in the top right. Okay, the next thing you want to do guys, you want to click on my store. Okay, at the very bottom left, click on my store, and then what you want to do guys, next you want to scroll down and click on Shopify and click on add store, and here you have to enter the URL of your Shopify store. Now go back to find the URL. This is very easy. Click on settings at the very bottom left, and this is the URL of your Shopify store. Okay, now next thing you want to do guys, you want to go back to Alibaba and then paste that URL here, and then click add store. As you can see, it has been connected because I already connected my store to this app. Okay, now what you need to do guys is you want to swipe up, and as you can see, this is the store that I want to import reviews to, and make sure it says connected. Okay, if it says connected, that means you can then push any Alibaba product to your Shopify. Okay, now you want to click on Alibaba in the top right, and now what you need to do guys, next you want to just go back to your Shopify. Okay, you want to close again Alibaba, go back to Shopify, click again on settings at the very bottom left, click on settings, and then click on apps and sales channels, and then click again on Alibaba, click on open app in the top right, and now you can start importing. Search for any product here. As you can see, any product, for example, let's just say I want to import this AirPods. Click on it, and you can see here add to import list. Click on add to import list, and then click go to import list. You can just go to import list, or you can just find it. Okay, now this is the product that we have imported to this app. Now this is what you want to do guys, you want to just click on push to store. Okay, push to store, and it will be imported to your Shopify. Okay, that's exactly guys how you can import any product to your Shopify. Now go to Shopify and you will find the product, okay, on your Shopify store. So if this video guys helped, as you can see, this is the product, and you can now edit it. You can add anything to the product, you can change the description, you can do anything you want.